2013 Hyundai Santa Fe. I'm doing the battery. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come in where this little air duct thing is. There's going to be two clips. You got to pop these up with a flathead. That's what I use. The top of them pop up. Your clips may be a little different, but the ones that came with this vehicle are these style. So just pop these up. Once you get these off, you can pull this thing out, lift it up, and pull it out. Those clips might break on you. If they do, don't panic. You know, just get yourself new clips. So here's the battery. Got here's the positive, and you just pull it up with that clip. 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter here, and then there's a hold down, which is a 12 millimeter down there. So we'll get that hold down off so we can get the battery out. Here's my 12 millimeter socket. Just put it down there. I'm going to need an extension, so I'm going to go ahead and get this battery hold down out. This comes out like that. No problem. Get these two terminals off. So it's a 10 millimeter right here and 10 millimeter right here. All I gotta do is get those 10 millimeter nuts loose. You don't gotta get them all the way off, and you know they might get lost. Take your negative off first, of course. Don't try not to arc it on the body. Then we'll take our positive side off, just like that. And they might be stubborn. Sometimes they're stubborn. But once those are out, I'm going to take this and just lift it out. I'm going to do that off camera. I got it out. Now I got my new one here. Now my part number is here for the Super Start battery. And then if you look, my cold cranking amps is 700. My reserve capacity is 120. It's the exact same as my OEM battery. Here's my Hyundai OEM one. Here's my... this is the part number for the Hyundai if you want to get a Hyundai battery or use it to cross-reference. But yeah, make sure the terminals are the same, you know, positive on the same side and everything. These caps will come off. So I put it in, and then now I'm just going to put the clamps on. There's a little ridge you need to slide in right here. Push that in there like that. And then we'll put our battery hold down on. Like that. Get this tight, get this tightened down. Pretty snug on that one. And then we gotta get our clamps on. Just pull these little covers off. Those are just to like protect the terminals during shipping and stuff. So we'll go ahead and get our positive on first. Go ahead and slide this back on, and then we'll tighten down that 10 millimeter nut right there. These just gotta be like snug. They don't gotta be mega tight. Same for the negative side. Go ahead and get this on. If you get like a little tiny bit spark, it's not a big deal. Just tighten this down. And alright, so once that's good, put some battery protectant on this, and then close the cap. And then really all we got to do is put that little air duct thing back on with those clips. If those clips broke on you, you can get them out the store, or just, I don't know, like zip tie it or something if you're in a bind. Now get this lined up, and I got some newer clips, and I just had some in my toolbox I had laying around. But you line the holes up, and just put your clips in. Again, if they break on you, like, don't even blame yourself. These things break over time. They get super brittle. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next video. Sub, comment, all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.